So this is a wig. Oh my God. So this is a wig. Yes, big chop hair.
Yes, guys, it is a wig. It's actually the U-part corkscrew curl wig from Big Shop Hair. You guys have seen this wig plenty of times before. You've seen it here, 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 and here. I'm going to show you how I take this wig from dark and curly to blonde and straight. So to get it to this blonde, I used two dark and lovely colors. The first go round, I used the fade resistant light golden blonde, but it didn't come out quite the right color. So then I went over it with the Go Intense bright blonde, and it was a perfect match. I start by spritting the hair with just enough water so I can get it to easily detangle. Next, I apply the Flawless Hair Blow Dry Cream. I love this cream, guys. It makes the hair super soft and really, really easy to detangle. Once I have applied the cream, I separate the hair into 4 sections. Now, if I was doing this on my own hair, I would actually divide it into 8 sections because my hair is super dense. Whenever you're blow drying hair, just bear in mind, the smaller the section, the smoother you'll probably get it. Now I blow dry each section thoroughly, focusing on the end so I can get them as smooth as possible. I like to use heat protectant even though it's not my hair because heat can still damage the curl pattern. After the blowout, I divide my hair into sections again. I spray the hair with the Kenra Professional Color Charge Serum. Guys, I discovered this serum and I love it because it's specifically for color treated hair and it protects the hair up to 450 degrees. Once I've evenly coated the hair, it's time to flat iron. Now I used about 1.5 inches wide of a section, and that's because I didn't need it to be super smooth. But if you want a sleeker look, the smaller the section, the smoother it'll be. Once that's complete, it's time for the curls. I am always here for big hair, so I like to add flexi rods. Starting with the hair around my hairline, I roll those back away from my face. Then, with the bottom rolls, I like to roll those in the upward direction. And then to add even more volume, I brush the hair at the crown and then roll down. I find that rolling in a few different directions adds the most volume. Now, I wanted the hair to set quickly because I had some place to go, so I placed the mannequin head with the rollers under a hooded dryer for about 45 minutes. But ideally, if you have a couple of hours, preferably overnight, that's the best way to set it. Off camera, I flexi rodded my leave out, and once the hair was set, I just clipped the wig on and began taking down. Y'all, can we get into these curls? Guys, I love flexi rods. They're literally my favorite way to style my hair when it's straight, and it's the best way to preserve my blowout. So at night, I always re-flexi rod my hair and have it ready for the morning. And it's one of my favorite ways to actually stretch a blowout once it starts getting old because you can curl it in so many ways. Only 3 steps to take my curly wig to a straight wig, and because it was a curly texture, it matches my natural texture perfectly. On the blog, I included a step-by-step with pictures on how I did it on my own hair, but if you guys subscribe and you stay tuned, I most likely will have a video coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.